Hey you guys, welcome back to our first unboxing for the month of August. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for tuning in. And before you head out, please make sure to subscribe. We're gonna get started with it. If you guys want to see everything that's inside of my Morphe Brushes unboxing, then just keep watching. Let's get diving into it. I'm not gonna bore you with all the details. If you guys want to know more about it, how to sign up, I'm going to have it linked down below, but let's get started. So here is the card. Look at how pretty she is. This month's bag is themed after Bad and Boozy. I love that, you guys. So it looks like the line that we're going to be getting is the gunmetal line, and I've talked about this line before in numerous unboxings. It is one of my favorite lines. The very first brush we are getting is the Morphe G8. It is a really big fat brush. It's got really big fat bristles, so it's going to be perfect to apply powder, bronzer, whatever it is that you like. But you could definitely use this for blush to set underneath your makeup. It also says that you can use it to blend out concealer. Again, I feel like it's right in that perfect little, like when you smile, it's like right there perfectly on the apples of your cheeks. So, ooh, okay. All right, this next brush we have here is the Morphe G6. This is, as they call, a flat buffer, which is a foundation brush. Definitely see this as a perfect foundation brush. It is a little bit smaller, so it's going to take you a little bit more time to work with, but if you are somebody like myself that sometimes needs a little bit more coverage in certain spots, I feel like this brush is going to be perfect. And then the last brush we have here is the Morphe G17, which is a round blender brush, as they state. This is going to be a perfect as a transition brush, which you guys know me, you can never have too many of those. I think those are perfect. So it looks like this month we're getting a total of 3 brushes. I know it doesn't sound like a lot of brushes, but we can get anywhere between 3 to 6 brushes in our bags, and it just really depends on the line and depends on the type of brush. This is their gunmetal line, which is going to be a little bit more pricier, but I'm going to tell you guys right now, it is one of my favorite lines. I feel like the bristles and the brush in here are just much better quality. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to this month's unboxing. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to this service and if you guys enjoyed it and you guys like this month's brushes, or if you guys are still waiting for them. I just want to know. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.